This is a situation where we went from nothing to bam. It really made you nervous. We stopped along Highway 115 to take some pictures of power lines just shaking out there. Couldn't get the door open to get out of the car, and there was one point it felt like we were being lifted off, making you very nervous. And here's the bigger situation right behind me that's going on out here. You can see the dust that this is kicking up. As you're coming in from the south side of Colorado Springs, you think there's a fire going on at Fort Carson. In fact, we have seen Station 4, the wildland team from Colorado Springs Fire out here on patrol, stopping and taking a look because there is fear that there is fire going on. Right now, it is a major dust wall going on out here. We've seen it picking up over there where there's a pond. When it picks up, it creates water that looks like smoke, so you can see why people are thinking that. The other thing is, as you're going along the road here, things change very quickly. As you can see right now, we're getting hit with a gust where we're covered here, but you see things that fall out onto the road. We went one way, 2 minutes later, came back, and there was a tree down along the side of the road, so people need to be careful. And then one other thing going on with that dust, as we were coming here right by the May Museum, it's not just Fort Carson, it's coming off the mountain. It created, well, if it was snow, you'd call it a whiteout. We're going to call it a brownout. Dust going across. We had to pull over and stop, wait a couple minutes for it clear so we could even go down the road. So conditions right now, be very careful when you're out. They change. Things will be dropping out of the sky in front of you on your car, dust going across the road, and emergency vehicles are out working. Best right now just to stay off the roads and inside where you're protected. Live on 115, Bill Folsom, News 5.